For a number of years now, work has been proceeding in order to bring perfection to the crudely conceived idea of a transmission that would not only supply inverse reactive current for use in unilateral phase attractors, but would also be capable of automatically synchronizing cardinal gram meters. Such a machine is the Turbo Encabulator. Basically, the only new principle involved is that instead of power being generated by the relative motion of conductors and fluxes, it is produced by the modial interaction of magnetoreluctance and capacitive duractance. The original machine had a base plate of prefamulated amulite surmounted by a malleable logarithmic casing in such a way that the two spurving bearings were in direct line with the panometric fan. The latter consisted simply of 6 hydrocoptic Merzel vanes so fitted to the ambifacient lunar wane shaft that side fumbling was effectively prevented. The main winding was of the normal Lotus O delta type, placed in panendermic semi-boloid slots of the stator, every 7th conductor being connected by a non-reversible tremie pipe to the differential girdle spring on the up end of the gram meters. The operating point is maintained as near as possible to the HF rem peak by constantly fromaging the bitohomogeneous spandrels. This is a distinct advance on the standard nivel-sheave in that no dramcock oil is required after the phase attractors have been remissed. The Turbo Encabulator has now reached a high level of development and is being successfully used in the operation of Novatrunnions. Moreover, whenever a fluorescent score motion is required, it may also be employed in conjunction with a drawn reciprocation dingle arm to reduce sinusoidal repleneration. Electrical engineers will appreciate the difficulty of noobing together a regurgitative pugwell and its a primitive Wennel sprocket. This proved to be a stumbling block to further development until it was... We also offer heavy-duty filtration. We have a compact spiral decommutator for some applications, and for customers requiring a quieter job site, we have our compact muffler. Frankly, it's a bargain.